In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a block in a WordPress website. This is an essential skill for those who manage their own WordPress sites, as it ensures that certain sections of your website layout remain unchanged, even when multiple users have access to your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to protect your content and maintain consistency throughout your site. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the back end of your site where you can manage all your settings, content, and plugins. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page or post where you want to lock a specific block. You can do this by clicking on Pages or Posts in the left-hand menu and then selecting the specific item you wish to edit. Now that you're in the editor, scroll through your page until you find the block that you want to lock. WordPress has a powerful block editor that allows you to add, customize, and organize different types of content effortlessly, so you'll want to make sure you're familiar with how this works if you're not already. When you've located the block you wish to lock, click on it to select it. You should see a toolbar appear at the top with various options. From here, look for the three-dot menu icon, usually known as the More Options menu, located in the upper right corner of the block toolbar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu that contains several options related to block settings and management. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Lock. If your plugins or site have made any modifications, the terminology might be slightly different, like Prevent Editing or something similar, but it should still be relatively easy to find. Select this option, and a panel will appear with additional settings. Within this panel, you'll have a couple of choices. You can choose to lock the block entirely so that it cannot be moved or edited by anyone without specific permissions, or you can restrict editing while still allowing movement. Select the options that best suit your needs, depending on whether you're the sole editor or part of a larger team. After configuring these settings, make sure to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Update button on the right side of the page. It's always a good practice to double-check the front end of your site to ensure everything appears the way you expected. And that's it. You've successfully locked a block in your WordPress website. By adding this layer of protection, you help preserve the integrity of your site's design and prevent accidental changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.